John Rollins Success Primary School hit by a bizarre incident before and after devotion. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 7 students and at least 1 teacher at the John Rollins Success Primary School in St. James are now undergoing treatment following a bizarre incident yesterday on the school grounds during devotional exercise yesterday morning. The bizarre incident started with a teacher fainting and vomiting, and we had some students doing the same thing. For the teacher, it started before general devotion, and for the student, it started after devotion, explained the school principal, Yvonne Miller Wisdom. The school principal explained that the cause of the incident has not yet been determined. However, she said that the school's management had been receiving advice from the local health authorities on how to handle the situation. It is understood that contact has also been made with the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Health and Wellness, and the St. James Public Health Department in relation to the situation. Yesterday's event took place 2 days after a similar incident at the Oberlin High School in St. Andrew, where several students fainted or fell into an apparent trance during the school devotional exercise on Wednesday. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.